Hey guys, it's Vicky and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today I'm taking you guys along with me to go plant shopping. I recently decided that I wanted to start a balcony garden. Just with everything that's going on, I thought that it would be really nice and therapeutic, and plus I thought it would be really cool to grow my own food. So I'm picking up the stuff that I got. A little bit later I'm going to be showing you everything that I got, but I thought it would be cute to show you guys what I did when I was shopping. So just enjoy looking at the beautiful green plants. Unfortunately, I don't have enough potting mix. I thought I did, but I don't. So I'm gonna walk you through what I got and then get the rest of the stuff that I need tomorrow. First I got this like full sun blueberry tree. Hopefully this will all work out. I also got lacinato kale. I got cucumber, parsley, sweet basil, romaine lettuce, green bell peppers, strawberries, which I'm very excited about, and more strawberries. So I'm gonna put these in like the window boxes that I got for them, and then what I'm gonna do tomorrow is go back to the store and get the potting mix, because we are still in the middle of we're still in the middle of COVID-19, so I'm not gonna do multiple outings, especially when I don't have my face mask. So we're just gonna do what we have right now. So here you can see that I'm just taking the stickers off of all of the window boxes that I'm going to be using, and I'm putting all of the plants where I think that they're going to go. A little bit later you're going to see that I changed the way that everything is set up just because of the way that they need to be in the sun, but for now I'm just arranging them, so just watch me arrange the beautiful green plants. Okay, so I did have them a certain way. I had them by like leafy greens to like fruits and other things like that, like garnishes, but then I changed it because these ones here are full sun and also this one is full sun. So I'm gonna have to get like a separate pot for that. Luckily I have some old pots over there that I can put that in. But yeah, this is how it is. These are part shade. This one is, I don't know. It doesn't say. I don't know. I have to figure this one out as well. So yeah, this is what we've got going so far. Actually might take a run to Target now and see what I can get there. So I tried getting my potting soil at Target, but unfortunately with everything going on, there was nothing there because it's currently like the Hunger Games scene with the cornucopia. So everything was totally picked over. So I had to go back to Home Depot to get my potting soil. So now that I have the soil that I need, it is time to start planting, but unfortunately we hit a bump in the road because I did not put on my gloves, and therefore I got a splinter in my hand. So now that the splinter was removed and I had a snack, it was time to cut open the bag. I got Miracle-Gro potting mix. Apparently is the best to use for when you're planting vegetables. I did a little bit of research online. I'm not like an expert, so do not like follow what I'm doing. If anything, like go on YouTube and find somebody that really does know what they're talking about. But what I learned to do was that you're supposed to squeeze the little containers and let the plant kind of fall out, and then you're supposed to plant it. And something else that you're supposed to do is kind of like break up the roots a little bit. I right here noticed that my soil was a little bit too low, and it kept being a little bit too low, so that's something else that I had to do, was find the right balance of how high do I need to like fill up my soil and how deep of a hole do I need to plant it in. So that's something that I really had to feel out, but I honestly really liked this part because it was so nice and so therapeutic. Just hearing like the birds chirping and like the wind blowing was so nice, and just being outside right now is just one of the most amazing things that I can recommend. It really did help me a lot. So again, you're gonna see me planting this down a little bit and then putting the soil around it. Again, this is really something that you're kind of gonna have to feel out, but it's a nice really learning experience. And then you're also going to notice that I put like the little markers of what everything was, and that's because I do not know what everything is. Again, I'm such a newbie to planting things and gardening that I would be totally lost if I did not have these little markers telling me what everything was. So right here you're noticing that I am planting my strawberries, and apparently there's a specific way that you have to plant them, which is the crown has to be above soil, which is like a little knot. I don't know. There's a website that you can go to where they tell you everything about how to garden. Now you'll see that I decided to start watering my plants, and that's important when you're first planting them, is you plant them in the soil and then you water them, because if not, then it's just going to be bad. That's just what the plant people tell me, so I do what they tell me because I don't know any better. So here I'm starting to plant my blueberry tree. Sorry that it's a little bit off center. I just planted this in a terracotta pot. I'm definitely gonna have to get a bigger pot for this, but this is a great starter pot. So I'm just watering that as well, and I'm moving on to my second window box. So this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but I did get a lot better at pouring in the soil and then breaking it up with my hand so that the air can get through and it'll be easier to plant. So right here, you're gonna see that I am planting my lettuce. I love romaine lettuce, so this was definitely a must-have for me. And honestly, this is the plant that is thriving the most for me, so I'm really excited about this. She is a champion. I don't know what I'm gonna name her. I don't know if I need to name lettuce, but I feel like I have to. So yeah, you're just gonna see me like planting this down and then putting the little pic saying what it is. And then next, I am planting my parsley. This one like crumbled a little bit, but I think it turned out okay. This one is also doing pretty well. I cut it back this morning and it was doing fine. And next here, you're gonna see a fiasco. So I didn't realize that the kale came in like 6 different cubes. I probably should have, noticing from the bottom, but this was just a mess. So my kale's probably gonna be the one that's having the most difficulty, but I ended up figuring it out and it ended up being okay. Not the best, but she's gonna be all right. And then I'm planting my final plant, which, oh, it's my green bell pepper. Now I'm just watering back my plants, and I'm gonna take you guys along on a little tour of my balcony plants. So here's what I have so far. I'm gonna take you like through a tour of what I've planted. Right here, I've got some romaine lettuce, some flat Italian parsley, some kale over here, which was a little bit hard to plant, not gonna lie. I didn't realize that there were like 6 individual things and not like a whole unit of things. I probably should have realized that, but I did not. And then over here, we've got the Bonnie green bell pepper. Over here, we've got our little blueberry tree. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I thought that it would be cute and fun to do blueberries. And then over here, we have our sweet basil, our cucumbers, and then 2 different types of strawberries. The first one is Quinault, and then Ozark Beauty. These are full sun, so I made sure to put them in a place in my balcony that had a lot of sun. This one is also full sun, and this one is partial sun. And since there's like this pillar right here, it doesn't like get full on sun. So this is what we've got so far. This is my little garden, and I'm really happy about it. Oh my gosh. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below by giving this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out a lot along the way. Let me know down below also if you'd like to see more planting videos, because I'm totally going to keep planting plants. So let me know if you want to see a video on them. So till the next time, stay kind, keep creating, take care of you, and I'll see you soon.